The hook. In the depths of space, a marvel of human ingenuity floats silently, its gaze fixed on the cosmos. The James Webb Space Telescope, a culmination of decades of scientific pursuit, stands as a testament to humanity's insatiable curiosity about the universe. Launched in December 2021, this technological behemoth has been positioned at the L2 point, a gravitationally stable location 1.5 million kilometers from Earth, where it can observe the universe with unprecedented clarity. As the successor to the Hubble Space Telescope, JWST is designed to push the boundaries of astronomical observation, delving into the mysteries of the cosmos with its advanced infrared technology. With the ability to see through dust clouds and observe galaxies that are 13 billion years old, JWST is poised to unravel the secrets of the universe's earliest moments. But as we venture deeper into the unknown, a profound question lingers. What would actually happen if the James Webb Space Telescope confirmed the existence of alien life? The implications would be profound, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we embark on this journey, the silence of space is about to be broken, and the consequences of this discovery will be felt across the globe. The search for life beyond Earth has become an all-consuming quest, with scientists and theorists alike pondering the possibilities. From the detection of exoplanets to the search for biosignatures, the hunt is on, and JWST is at the forefront of this endeavor. As we await the telescope's findings, the world holds its breath, anticipating the moment that will change the course of human history. The James Webb Space Telescope is not just an instrument of science, it is a gateway to the unknown, a portal to the secrets of the universe. And as we stand at the threshold of this new frontier, we are reminded that the discovery of alien life would be a paradigm-shifting moment, one that would challenge our assumptions and rewrite the textbooks. The possibility of life existing elsewhere in the universe is no longer a topic of science fiction, it is a scientific probability, and JWST is the key to unlocking this mystery. Chapter 1. The James Webb Space Telescope is an instrument of unparalleled sophistication, designed to uncover the secrets of the cosmos. With its advanced infrared technology, JWST can see through the dust clouds that obscure our view of the universe, allowing us to observe galaxies that are 13 billion years old. This capability is made possible by the telescope's sensitive detectors, which can capture the faint glow of distant stars and galaxies. By observing the universe in infrared light, JWST can peer into the hearts of dusty star-forming regions, where new stars and planets are born. The telescope's ability to observe the chemical fingerprint of distant planet atmospheres is a crucial aspect of its mission. Through a process known as atmospheric spectroscopy, JWST can analyze the light passing through the atmospheres of exoplanets, allowing scientists to determine the chemical composition of these atmospheres. This is achieved by measuring the absorption and emission spectra of the light, which reveals the presence of specific molecules. The detection of biosignatures, such as oxygen, methane, and carbon dioxide, is a key goal of the JWST mission. These molecules can be indicative of biological activity, and their presence in the atmosphere of an exoplanet could suggest that life exists elsewhere in the universe. The search for biosignatures is a complex and challenging task, requiring the detection of subtle changes in the light passing through the atmosphere of an exoplanet. However, the potential reward is well worth the effort, as the discovery of life beyond Earth would be a groundbreaking moment in the history of science. The significance of this discovery cannot be overstated, as it would challenge our current understanding of the universe and our place within it. The detection of a single molecule, such as oxygen or methane, could be the key to unlocking the secrets of the universe, and JWST is the instrument that will make this discovery possible. As we continue to explore the universe with JWST, we are reminded that the search for life is an ongoing journey, one that will take us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. The telescope's advanced technology and sensitive detectors make it an ideal instrument for this task, and its discoveries will have far-reaching implications for our understanding of the universe. The possibility of discovering life beyond Earth is a tantalizing one, and JWST is the key to unlocking this mystery. With its advanced capabilities and sensitive detectors, the telescope is poised to make a groundbreaking discovery, one that will change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Chapter 2. The discovery of alien life is a scenario that has been contemplated by scientists and theorists for decades. While it remains a topic of speculation, the possibility of detecting life beyond Earth is a very real one. The James Webb Space Telescope is at the forefront of this effort, with its advanced infrared technology and sensitive detectors making it an ideal instrument for the search. One possible scenario involves the observation of an exoplanet such as K2-18b, a super-Earth located 111 light-years from our solar system. Using its advanced spectrographic capabilities, JWST could detect the presence of water vapor, methane, and oxygen in the atmosphere of this exoplanet. The simultaneous presence of these gases would be a significant discovery, as they react and destroy each other in the absence of biological activity. The detection of these gases together would suggest that there is an active process replenishing them, which could be indicative of biological activity. The verification process for such a discovery would be rigorous and painstaking, involving multiple observations and data analysis. Scientists would need to rule out any potential false positives, such as the presence of abiotic processes that could mimic the signature of biological activity. This would involve a thorough analysis of the data, using advanced computer models and simulations to understand the underlying chemistry and physics of the exoplanet's atmosphere. The tension would be palpable as scientists work to confirm the discovery, knowing that the implications would be profound. The data would need to be undeniable, with multiple lines of evidence pointing to the presence of biological activity. As the discovery becomes more certain, the scientific community would be abuzz with excitement, knowing that the detection of alien life would be a groundbreaking moment in the history of science. The verification process would be a critical aspect of this discovery, as scientists would need to be absolutely certain that the signal is real and not the result of instrumental error or other factors. The discovery of alien life would be a momentous occasion, one that would challenge our current understanding of the universe and our place within it. The James Webb Space Telescope would have made a discovery that would be remembered for generations to come, and its implications would be felt across the globe. As we await the telescope's findings, the world holds its breath, anticipating the moment that will change the course of human history. Chapter 3. The discovery of alien life would be a profound moment in the history of science, with far-reaching implications for our understanding of the universe. As we consider the possibilities, we are reminded that the search for life is an ongoing journey, one that will take us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. The detection of microbial life, such as alien bacteria or ocean microorganisms, would be a significant discovery, one that would revolutionize the field of biology. The possibility of discovering complex ecosystems, such as alien plants or biological cycles visible from space, would be a groundbreaking moment, one that would challenge our current understanding of the evolution of life. However, the most unsettling possibility is the discovery of an intelligent civilization, one that would raise fundamental questions about our place in the universe. The detection of artificial chemical signatures, industrial pollution, or megastructures would be a profound discovery, one that would challenge our current understanding of the universe and our role within it. The possibility of detecting radio signals or other evidence of technological activity would be a momentous occasion, one that would raise fundamental questions about the nature of intelligence and the universe. As we consider these possibilities, we are reminded that the search for life is an ongoing journey, one that will take us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos. The discovery of alien life would be a paradigm-shifting moment, one that would challenge our assumptions and rewrite the textbooks. The possibility of discovering life beyond Earth is a tantalizing one, and the James Webb Space Telescope is the key to unlocking this mystery. With its advanced technology and sensitive detectors, the telescope is poised to make a groundbreaking discovery, one that will change our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As we await the telescope's findings, the world holds its breath, anticipating the moment that will change the course of human history. The discovery of alien life would be a momentous occasion, one that would challenge our current understanding of the universe and our role within it. The possibilities are endless, and the implications are profound, as we consider the possibility of discovering life beyond Earth. The search for life is an ongoing journey, one that will take us to the farthest reaches of the cosmos, and the James Webb Space Telescope is the instrument that will make this discovery possible. As we continue to explore the universe, we are reminded that the possibility of discovering life beyond Earth is a very real one, and the implications would be profound. The discovery of alien life would be a groundbreaking moment in the history of science, one that would challenge our current understanding of the universe and our place within it. Chapter 4. How humanity would react to the discovery of alien life through the James Webb Telescope is a complex, multi-layered question. At the forefront are scientists, who would immediately engage in a rigorous verification protocol to confirm the findings. This process would involve independent confirmation by other telescopes, such as the Atacama Large Millimeter Submillimeter Array or the Future Square Kilometer Array, followed by peer review to ensure the data withstands the scrutiny of the scientific community. The fear of being wrong, of making a false claim that could embarrass the scientific community and undermine public trust in science, would be palpable. This caution is rooted in historical precedents, such as the initial skepticism towards the discovery of dark energy, which later became a cornerstone of modern cosmology. As news of the discovery spreads beyond the scientific community, governments would likely convene an emergency UN Security Council session to discuss the implications and potential responses. Classified briefings would be held to assess the discovery's impact on national security, international relations, and global stability. The debate over public disclosure would be intense, with some arguing for transparency to avoid panic and others for secrecy to prevent societal upheaval. Historical moments of mass psychological shock, such as the advent of the atomic bomb or the first landing on the moon, offer some comparison, but the revelation of alien life would be unprecedented in its scope and potential to redefine human identity. For ordinary people, the moment the news breaks would be nothing short of epochal. Initial reactions would span the gamut from excitement and wonder to fear, denial, and even spiritual crisis. The realization that humanity is not alone in the universe would challenge deeply held beliefs and worldviews, forcing individuals to reconsider their place within the cosmos. As the news sinks in, a permanent psychological shift would occur, as humanity could no longer consider itself the only life in the universe. This shift would be akin to a Copernican revolution, where the center of our existential universe is no longer Earth or humanity, but part of a much larger, interconnected whole. The implications for personal and collective identity, for how we see ourselves and our role in the universe, would be profound and far-reaching. Chapter 5. The question of whether aliens would be dangerous is speculative but critical. The optimistic case suggests that a civilization millions of years ahead of us may have transcended conflict, achieving a state of peaceful coexistence with its environment and other intelligent life forms. This speculation is based on the idea that advanced civilizations may undergo a process of maturation, where they outgrow petty squabbles and destructive tendencies, focusing instead on knowledge, cooperation, and the betterment of the universe. However, this is a highly speculative scenario, and there is currently no empirical evidence to support or refute it. On the other hand, the concerning case, as warned by the late Stephen Hawking, suggests that contact with advanced civilizations could be risky. Hawking's argument was not based on the notion that aliens are inherently malevolent but rather that advanced civilizations may view less advanced ones as we view animals, as entities to be studied, exploited, or protected, but not as equals. The ant analogy is often used to illustrate this point. We do not intend to be dangerous to ants, but our actions, such as constructing buildings or using pesticides, can have devastating effects on their colonies. Similarly, even if an advanced alien civilization has no intention of harming humanity, its actions could still pose an existential risk to us. The debate over whether we should respond if aliens can detect us is ongoing within the astrobiology and SETI, messaging extraterrestrial intelligence, communities. Some argue that any attempt to communicate could invite unwanted attention, while others believe that responding could be our only chance to make contact and learn from an advanced civilization. The question of who decides for all of humanity is also pertinent, as it raises issues of global governance, cooperation, and the representation of human interests in potential interstellar relations. This dilemma underscores the need for a unified, thoughtful approach to the search for extraterrestrial intelligence and the potential consequences of making contact. Chapter 6. Current efforts to search for extraterrestrial life include SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, which listens for radio signals from other civilizations, and METI, which involves sending messages into space in the hope of eliciting a response. Historical precedents, such as the Voyager Golden Record and the Arecibo message, have already been sent into the cosmos, containing information about humanity and our location in the universe. However, the light-speed barrier poses a significant challenge to real-time communication with any civilization we could detect with the James Webb Telescope. For instance, a planet just 100 light-years away would mean that any message sent would take 100 years to reach them, and another 100 years for their response to return, making real-time conversation impossible. The deeper question of whether we should even try to signal back to potential alien life forms is one that divides the scientific community. Some argue that making our presence known could be risky, as discussed earlier, while others believe it is our duty to reach out and potentially make contact with other intelligent beings. Historical parallels, such as what happened when technologically advanced civilizations encountered less advanced ones on Earth, offer cautionary tales. The impact of European colonization on indigenous populations, for example, highlights the potential risks of unequal encounters. However, these examples also underscore the importance of approaching such interactions with caution, respect, and a deep understanding of the potential consequences of our actions. Chapter 7. The discovery of alien life through the James Webb Telescope would transform virtually every aspect of human society and knowledge. In biology and medicine, understanding a second genesis of life would rewrite our understanding of evolution, potentially revealing new pathways for drug development, biotechnology, and our comprehension of the fundamental processes of life. In philosophy and religion, every major faith tradition would need to reinterpret its texts and cosmology in light of the existence of extraterrestrial life, challenging traditional beliefs about human uniqueness and the role of Earth in the universe. Politically, national borders and tribal conflicts would likely seem meaningless against the backdrop of a cosmic community, potentially fostering global unity and cooperation in the face of our shared status as intelligent life in the universe. Space exploration would receive emergency global funding, with accelerated propulsion research aiming to bridge the distance between Earth and the discovered alien life form. A new generation of telescopes and space missions would be designed to study this phenomenon in greater detail, driving technological innovation and scientific advancement. Human identity would undergo a profound shift, as for the first time, humanity might see itself as one species sharing one fragile planet, rather than being divided by national, ethnic, or ideological lines. This realization could foster a sense of global citizenship and responsibility, encouraging us to work together to address common challenges, such as climate change, and to ensure the long-term survival and prosperity of our species. The discovery of alien life would thus not only expand our understanding of the universe but also challenge us to redefine our place within it and our relationship with each other. Ending. As we conclude this journey through the possibilities and implications of the James Webb Telescope discovering alien life, we are left with more questions than answers. The search for life beyond Earth is a profound quest, one that speaks to our deepest desires to understand our place in the universe and to know that we are not alone. It is a search that challenges our current understanding of biology, astronomy, and the fundamentals of life itself. The James Webb Telescope, floating in the cold darkness of space, is more than just an instrument of science. It is a beacon of humanity's curiosity and our unrelenting drive to explore and understand the cosmos. As we look out into the vast expanse of stars and galaxies, we are reminded of how small yet connected we are to the universe. The search for alien life is, in many ways, a search for ourselves, our origins, our purpose, and our destiny among the stars. The significance of this search goes beyond the potential discovery of extraterrestrial life. It is about the advancement of human knowledge, the push beyond the boundaries of what is currently possible, and the eternal question that has haunted humanity since the dawn of time: are we alone? The answer, when it comes, will not be just a simple yes or no but a doorway to a new era of human history, one that will redefine our existence and our future in the cosmos. Thank you for watching VoidCast. If this made you see the universe differently, subscribe, because next week, we go even further.